There are various audio effects that you can add to your footages as well. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around and bring in an audio footage over here. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and bring in this music. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under effects. And over here, you can see that audio is an option right here. If I were to go around and play this audio, that is what you have right here. But what I can do is I can go around onto audio reverse right here. Then what happens is that it simply reverses the audio, as you can hear out. You can also go around and add in multiple effects together. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add in Lars room effect right here. Then if I were to play this out, then you get a Lars room echo effect as well. Then you can go around and turn it into a telephone effect as well. And there you go, that's what you hear. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can also go around and add in shortwave radio. So that is what you have. You can go around and change around the gain for each of the effect right here. As you can see, just like this as well, and enable and disable different effects as you like. And that is how you can work around with audio effects. You can go around and try around different effects that you have right here and play around with it as you like. So that is how you can add in audio effects inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.